Good morning, Your Highness.
Good morning, my sire.
You two lazy things. I have summoned you in order to be informed about the new church you are supposed to be building. Today it is the 1st of January 760, and you have not finished it yet.
My lord, we are working day and night.
Yes, we are working like slaves. Anyway, we have almost finished it.
Almost? I hate the word almost. You have not even shown me the plan of the church.
Your Highness, I brought my plans with me. I can show you everything.
Yes, tell me what the church is like.
Yes, my lord. As you can see, the church has a circular plan.
The church is on a central plan, inspired to that of Hagia Sophia in Constantinople, but is very original. The central 6 columns are arranged at the vertices of a hexagon and connected by arches that support the dome.
Those columns must have been very expensive. You are ruining me.
Don't worry, my prince, we took them from the Temple of Isis, since nobody attends pagan rites in Benevento anymore.
Yes, and the Church of Santa Sofia has small proportions. It can be circumscribed with a circumference of 23.50 meters in diameter.
So it looks cheap and drab.
Oh no, sire. The temple is really beautiful. The arrangement of the columns and pillars creates unusual perspective effects. The combination of external decagon with internal hexagon emphasizes the vault.
Are you sure the architectural style of the building is original? You told me it looks like Hagia Sophia in Constantinople.
Well, my sire, to be honest, we took inspiration from another existing church.
In fact, the building is also modeled on the Palatine Chapel of the Lombard king Liutprand in Pavia.
You cheated me. I will punish you.
Be merciful, my lord. We cannot tell lies to your highness.
Yes, we must be honest. After all, you wanted the church to be dedicated to Santa Sofia.
This is true, you are right. I cannot punish you for telling the truth. In fact, Santa Sofia is the only church which is not dedicated to a saint, but to Sophia, which in Greek means truth. Tell me more about Santa Sophia.
Shall we place a Santa Sofia statue inside the church?
Of course not, you stupid. I just told you the church is dedicated not to a saint, but to truth. Tell me more.
At the center of the plan there's a hexagon. This internal hexagon is surrounded by a decagonal ring with 8 pillars in white limestone and 2 columns on the sides of the entrance.
Are there any decorations on the church walls?
Yes, Highness, there are some frescoes representing the stories of Christ and Mary.
Are there any other frescoes?
Yes, Highness. There are the Annunciation of Zacharias, Dumbness of Zacharias, the Annunciation, and the Visitation, in the 2 side apses.
I have decided to annex a convent to the church.
Yes, sir.
It will be a Benedictine female convent, depending from the Abbey of Monte Cassino, and led by my sister Gariperga.
At your command, sir.
Tell me, what does the church look like from outside?
Oh, my lord. The facade is magnificent.
What does the lunette feature, besides myself, of course?
The lunette features Christ between the Virgin, Saint Mercurius, and Gregory the Abbot.
Okay, you can go now. Go back to Santa Sofia and finish the work at soonest.
We will work day and night to accomplish our task, my highness.